Hey, Greg Spindler here. The last video I did, we talked about the benefits of doing the OA release, which is the occiput up against the atlas, the top cervical. We do that by using AKR and doing the distraction. But what are some other benefits from doing the AO release? For many people, when we have that text neck or forward head posture, that top cervical gets stuck anteriorly. So this is the forward head posture. We can see that what it's doing here. So going forward, that anterior position of the top cervical, what that does, it creates the perfect scenario for impingement on a nerve, or also to get headaches, um, blurry vision, lack of focus, those sort of things. So as we're doing that traction on the occiput using the AKR, we can relieve that anterior position of that top cervical in its relationship with the occiput, because we're using gravity because the client is laying down. We're doing a distraction, pulling away, and the gravity is our tool to allow that C1 to fall back into a more ideal position, getting rid of those headaches, getting rid of that blurry vision, getting rid of that lack of focus, and providing a more homeostasis effect in that relationship there. I hope that helps. I'll see you soon in class.